皆さん、チャンネルへようこそ。今日は、日本のラブバイツと彼女たちの素晴らしいライブパフォーマンスについてご紹介します。彼女たちはステージ上でまさに野獣だと多くの人が言っているので、ぜひチェックしてみたいと思いました。わあ、もうあのステージの存在感はすごいですね。エネルギーがすごいし、観客も完全に盛り上がっています。ギターは最初からシュレッドしてるアイアンメイデンのバイブスと現代のパワーメタルをミックスしたような感じ。しかも、ライブでもすごくクリーン。
First time hearing Love Bites, Japan does metal right. You can read it naturally or tweak it to fit your speaking style. Alright, wow, I honestly need a second to process what I just witnessed. That was Love Bites, and yeah, Japan absolutely does metal right. That was on another level from the very first seconds. I could already tell this band is something special, but that by the end of the song, completely sold. First of all, the musicianship is unreal. The guitar work clean, fast, melodic, and powerful. The solos. The solos weren't just shredding for the sake of shredding. There was structure, emotion, and intentions behind every note. And the rhyme, the rhythm sections lock in, tight, punchy, no wasted movement. Everything felt precise, but still full of energy. And let's talk about the vocals for a second. Powerful, controlled, and confident. The way the vocals sit on top of the instrumentation without getting buried is impressive, especially considering how intense the music is. That balance is hard to pull off, and Love Bites makes it sounds effortless. What really surprised me the most is how classic and modern this sounds. At the same time, you can hear the influence of traditional heavy metal and powerful metal, but it doesn't feel outdated. It feels fresh, passionate, and hungry. Like a band that genuinely loves this genre and wants to push it forward. Also the energy, even just listening you can feel it. This is kind of band that must be of absolutely insane. Live, the speed, the precision, the confidence, it all scream world class metal band. No gimmicks, no shortcuts, just pure talent and hard work. I be honest, if you somehow still think Japanese metal isn't on the same level as Western metal, Love Bites completely destroy that idea. This isn't good for a Japanese band. This is just great metal, period. I can already tell this won't be my last time reacting to them. Not even close. I need to hear more songs, live performances, deep cuts, all of it. If this was my first impression, I can't imagine what the rest of their catalog is like. So now, I need your help. Drop your song suggestions in the comments. Tell me what I must react to next, studio, track, or live performances. Let me know. And if you enjoy these reactions, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so don't miss the next one. If Love Bites impressed by the same way they impress me. Trust me, you're gonna want to be here for the next reactions. Japan does metal right and Love Bites just prove it. Thank you so much for watching.